Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to trade Perps and Spot on Bluefin app. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. What is Bluefin? Bluefin is a leading decentralized exchange built on Sui blockchain. It specializes in high-performance futures and spot trading with over $50 billion in cumulative volume since its launch. It is designed for fast trades using Sui infrastructure, supporting assets like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Sui, and ecosystem tokens with no centralized custody. Everything is self-custodial via your wallet. Perps are futures contracts with no expiry dates, letting you go long or short with leverage. While spot trading involves the direct buying and selling of tokens via an automated market maker with concentrated liquidity pools. Now, how can you start trading on Bluefin? Since it's built on Sui, you need a Sui-compatible wallet like Slush, OKX Wallet, Solve, Suilet, and so on. Now, open your browser and head to bluefin.io. We'll be using Mrs. Browser for this. Trade.bluefin.io. Now tap on connect account, then choose a wallet. We'll be using OKX Wallet extension, so I'll just tap on OKX Wallet. Now just click on connect. So we have successfully connected our wallet. Let's head back. So this is the spot dashboard where you can swap any Sui token instantly. It is purely for spot trading where you can exchange one token for another at the current market price. So presently we have 4.2 Sui. Now let's swap part of it to USDT. Just change this to Sui and this to USDT. Then input your amount. We'll be using, let's swap 4 to USDC. Now just click on swap. Then approve on your wallet. Now just tap on confirm. Now let's go back. So we have successfully swapped the Sui to USDC. Now you can see we have 8.0 USDC. So that's how to swap on Bluefin. Now let's open a pair position with the USDC we just swapped. Tap on the Perp tab at the bottom. Now let's quickly run through the interface before we place the trade. At the top we have the pair which is currently on BTC. Tap on it to see all tokens available to trade on Bluefin. You can also see the maximum leverage you get for trading them. Like you get 25x for Sui, 25x for Ethereum, 25 for Solana, 40 for BTC, and so on. Let's tap on Solana as we're using it for our illustration. So the current price of Solana is $156. Now tap on chart at the top. So this is the visual representation of the price at different intervals. Now let's go back. So we have the order book on the left which presents and potential future market activity, while on the right we have order types, margin mode, and leverage. We have several order types, but market and limit are mostly used. Market order executes instantly at the current price, while limit lets you set a price and the trade only happens when the market hits that price using market order. Next is leverage. Leverage lets you control more money than you actually have. If you trade $100 at 5x, you can open a trade worth $500. It is simply collateral multiplied by leverage. Higher leverage is equal to higher risk, so always use a fair leverage for your trade. We'll be using 5x. Now the next is margin mode. So we have cross and isolated margin mode. For cross margin, all the money deposited in your trading account is shared across all your open trades. That is, if one trade starts losing, it can use money from your entire balance to stay alive. While on isolated margin, each trade has its own separate margin. Only the money you set aside for that trade is at risk. We'll be using isolated margin. Now just tap on confirm. Now set your amount. Let's use set your amount, then click on buy/long. So you have successfully opened a pair position on Solana. Scroll down to see your position. Now you can see your position size, your entry price, your liquidation price, your margin, your profit, and your loss. Liquidation price simply means when Solana gets to $128, you will be liquidated. That's where take profit and stop loss comes in. Take profit and stop loss are risk management tools that automatically close your trade. Tap on TP/SL. Take profit is the price level where your trade automatically closes in profit, while stop loss is the price level where your trade automatically closes in loss to prevent bigger losses. Now let's set our TP to 170. Let's set our TP to 170. Then our stop loss, tap on stop loss. Let's set our stop loss to 150. Then tap on confirm. So we have successfully set our take profit and stop loss, which means we cannot be liquidated. So that's how to trade on Bluefin. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.